What's going on, everybody? We back with another video. What's up, everybody? We back with another video, and today we actually going to the Clean Culture Catch My Drift event. It's a collab event, so it's a 10K drift comp and a car show. My car is going to be in the car show. Only thing is, today is very muggy, but the show's still going on because it's a drift comp. And at Atlanta Motor Speedway, they have indoor parking in the like in the NASCAR pits. So the car show is going to be inside, and then they're drifting outside in the rain. So still going to go out there, see what's going on. Hopefully it still turns out to be a good event, and hopefully the rain stops real soon. From what I'm looking at on the weather, it says it's supposed to stop in about the next hour or so, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to get everything loaded up in the car, and we're going to head out and have a nice day. Oh yeah, and because it's so rainy outside, I didn't even get the chance to wash the car, but it don't matter. I'm going to just drive it out there. If the rain eases up, I'm going to just walk with my detail bag full of everything, and I'm going to just clean the car up out there. Like I said, hopefully it stops. So we made it out to the show. It's a real good turnout. It's a lot of people out here, a lot of cars. The line to get in was super long, but that's cool. That just means it's a lot of people here, and it's gonna be a good turnout. So Danny's parking in the spectator parking. I'm gonna wait for him, and then we're gonna walk around and see what's happening. And I know some people that's out there drifting. We're gonna get some drift ride-alongs too. So should be a fun day. Should be a fun day. I'm glad the rain stopped. It's still a little ugly out here, but it's not raining anymore. So I was thinking of getting the Rays 57s for the BRZ, but I was thinking about getting bronze, and I actually kind of like this color. So what y'all think? This S14 is super clean too. Right-hand drive, bride seats, nice nardy wheel. Very nice, very nice. Even with the clear tails, it actually look good. I'm usually not a fan of that, but look nice. Every time I see a clean Type R, I gotta admire it, because I love a Type R. I hope I don't get copyright for the music, but this Castro Supra is wicked. Yeah, this is nice. This is real nice. This is the same R32 GTR that was at the Autocross event that I was last at. And this thing was out there moving. That's why I say all race cars are show cars, but not all show cars. Not all show cars are race cars. These the color wheels I was gonna get. Yeah, that's the color I was gonna put on the BRZ. That shit do look good though. How they do? Still a huge fan of a well set up first gen. Always will be. Oh, yeah, these wheels are wicked, and I love the white Willwood calipers with the gold writing. That's a nice accent. I like that.
Spin you real quick. Like, I like throwing angles, so I'll whip it real quick, and if it's wet, that motherfucker just spin on me every time. Where you parked it?
Oh shit, I'm in the
show car, right?
Yeah, I'm in the show, yeah. I want to go get my shit and slide it. I want to go get my shit and slide it. Let me slide that.
Oh, hell yeah. You should kill that shit. Fuck it.
Shit, let's
They
go
got
get my
Miatas going out there. Fuck this.
Yeah, so you want him?
Shit, I got mine in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
His shit feels good too though. The CTSV.
I dapped him up when I was coming down here looking for you. I walked past that nigga and all. He was like, "Shit, you want to ride?" I was like, "Yeah, shit." But I see you about to take a break. He was like, "Yeah."
Oh goddamn. I want to see if we want to drive together because we ain't drove together in like 2 years. I committed to him, and then I stopped driving. And he kept going.
Yeah, he just kept going.
Good,
that's
bro.
it, bro. Just seat time.
Yeah.
Seat time.
She was like, "Where you get wing from, man?" I said, "Bro, I bought it with the car. The real, the actual wing, I don't know. He said he bought it somewhere. Then he made the side part on it."
Yeah.
Bro, I like. It's like the most unprepared event I ever been.
Yeah. But you don't got no tools, no nothing. Huh?
I got tools. It's just I didn't go to sleep 5 this morning because I was working on the car all last night.
Oh, trying to get it ready
on the car. I had to replace my steering line.
Yeah.
And then bleed it, and then it's all kind of shit. But
got a hydro. I want to drive this shit.
Right. Hydro, I still gotta fuck with it because it's not really working good. So the accelerator's good though.
Yeah.
I got the needles on the front. I love them shits.
Yeah. Alright, so I was just chopping it up with the homie Josh. He about to go back out and get some more laps. I'm gonna go grab my helmet and get some ride alongs, but I'm gonna go look and see what's in the car show some more before I go and do that. And yeah, man, seeing all these drift cars, I gotta build a drift car. I need to.
Too much.
Yeah. I said that shit the first time I walked through and I saw it. I ain't never been a huge fan of the Liberty Walk kits though.
Huh?
I said I've never been a huge fan of the Liberty Walk kits. Some people pull them off
some
good.
Some of the kits is
some
okay,
of them,
but this is excessive.
Yeah.
That's just too much.
Yo. I wonder who painted this shit.
Glass.
We got a bunch of giveaways from our lovely vendors today.
That shit nice. That shit nice. Yeah.
Holla at him.
Yeah, I was just linking up with my homie Cortland. I didn't even know he was out here. This is his car. Look at that boy fit. I ain't gonna lie, Cortland been an OG in the game. If y'all would have seen his TSX back in the day, and that shit was static. That nigga he had fitment like this, static on his TSX. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Another type R appreciation. I might just have to buy myself one of these. I do prefer the FL5s, but the FK8 is still wicked.
On a mission, so if you're a police officer, remember them license plates.
Damn.
Oh man, hey, y'all ready for this? That was weak as hell. Y'all sound like y'all ready to go to bed. I say, y'all ready for this? Yeah, I know y'all loud, especially them girls that be complaining to your boyfriend. You better watch out. All right, man, let me hear the Skyline with it. It's all about what they vote for. Alright, man, let me hear the Z with it. On a count of 3, I want to hear them together. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, this is how it's gonna go. You hit, then they go together, and then y'all gonna vote for which one wins. Y'all ready for that? Alright, bet. So if y'all messing with the Z, make some noise. Yeah, you got 36 friends around here. And if y'all messing with the 2J Skyline, make some noise. Uh-oh. Alright, man, we're gonna open that up, and you're gonna get out of there that way, brother. Alright, man, let me hear the R32. All fuck. Y'all rocking with that? That was weak as fuck. I said, y'all rocking with that? That's what I'm talking about. All right, man, let me hear the Lambo one more time. Hey, yo. Let me hear the Skyline. Let me hear the Silver Mark 4. Let me hear the blue ones. All right, and on the count of 3, y'all ready? I want to hear them together. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, make some noise for them real quick, y'all.
So it's about 8:30. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night and head out. They still got some drifting and stuff going on, but it's starting to die down. So I'm back at the car. I'm gonna go ahead, close everything up, and head on to the house.